This is LXPN TV, and I'm Colin O'Keefe, as we continue our ongoing coverage of the Legal Marketing Technology Conference West here in San Francisco. I'm here with David Ackert, CEO of Practice Boomers. David, we just came out of a session on prospecting for clients using social media. What can you tell us about that? What interesting ways are there that lawyers can use social media to find and enhance their client development efforts?
Sure. So what we're finding is that most lawyers are not using LinkedIn to its best capabilities. They are what LinkedIn calls dormant members. What that means is that they have a profile, they'll accept invitations from their colleagues, but they aren't necessarily going onto LinkedIn to seek out prospective clients, prospective referral sources, making those connections and facilitating those relationships. So LinkedIn can be a very powerful way to do that if you are proactive and you go on to LinkedIn. What you have to do is you have to use the search field, enter the keywords of your prospective client, general counsel, CEO, whatever it would be, and then you'll find that you have second-tier connections who are people that you'd like to get to know. But the key is that you've got to go old school to reach out to them. You can't send them an in-mail or a LinkedIn invitation and expect that to amount to anything. You want to find the first-tier connection that connects you to that person and pick up the phone, ask them about, how to strategize this introduction, what's the most relevant way to connect to them. It could be that your first tier connection doesn't even know the second tier all that well, because that happens all the time on LinkedIn. But there's also a good chance that they do know, especially if you play the numbers game and do it enough times. So that's ultimately one of the things that is an underutilized resource that we all have, using LinkedIn in a proactive way, identifying prospects, and then using your first tier connections to make those connections for you.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. Social media is at its most effective when you don't rely just on social media, but take that as a tool and apply it offline as well. Well, once again, that was David Ackert, CEO of Practice Boomers. For more of our video interviews from the Legal Marketing Technology Conference West, visit us at lxpn.com. Thank you.
Thank you so much.